Now that acquisitions functions have been added to Leap, you can use the Leap Find tool to search for acquisitions records. This video will introduce you to how to access the Find tool and how to configure the Find tool for acquisitions records. To access the Find tool, click on the word Find next to the quick search box. At the top of the Find tool are 4 drop-down menus. The first drop-down menu is called the Search Database column. This column consists of a list of record types to search for. For acquisitions, it includes fiscal year, fund, invoice, purchase order, and supplier. Selecting a record type from this drop-down menu will alter the other drop-down menus and filter options. For this demonstration, I will choose Invoice. Clicking on the star along the side saves that option as the default. The second drop-down menu is the Mode column. The Mode column allows you to select from Basic Search, Power Search, or SQL Search. These search modes are the same as a client. If you are just searching for an invoice number, you would use Basic Search, for example. If you need to access the saved SQL queries, select SQL Search. The third column is called the Qualifier column. This includes the list of keywords or fields that you can select from, like fiscal year, fund name, invoice number, or invoice status. If you choose the SQL mode, the third column is a list of saved SQL queries. For a basic search, the fourth column is the Relation column. This column indicates how the Find tool will link together your search text. For acquisitions records, your choices can be exact search term or the exact truncated search, depending on the keyword that you're searching. Some searches only allow the exact search, such as the invoice status. The truncated search looks for records where a field begins with the search term but allows other characters to follow. For this demonstration, I'm going to search for open invoices. When I select invoice status, the search box becomes a drop-down menu. So I'm going to select open from this list before adding the filters. To access the filters, click on the funnel symbol next to the search symbol. Then click on Add Condition. Filter options include fields like fiscal year, fund, invoice status, and supplier. I'm going to add a filter for the fiscal year name. You can add as many filters as you would like by clicking on the plus symbol and remove a filter by clicking on the minus symbol. You can remove all filters by clicking on the trash symbol in the upper right-hand corner. For this demonstration, I'm going to search for open invoices for a specific video fund. So I've added in a filter for a fiscal year and a fund. Next, press Apply to apply the filters. The funnel icon turns green when the filters have been applied. I've already set up the search to find open invoices. Next, click on the search icon. The results show 2 open invoices. To view an invoice, double-click on a row or click on the checkbox and then press Open. This is an invoice in Leap. This has been a tutorial on using the Leap Find tool for acquisitions. If you have any questions, contact help at ccslib.org.